The workers put the freshly baked sweet potatoes into the freezer at -18 degrees, and when the moisture of the sweet potatoes baked at high temperature has not completely dissipated, they directly freeze the water in the sweet potatoes into ice flakes. This is a processing plant specializing in making frozen roasted sweet potatoes. From September every year, workers will drive the harvester to dig all the sweet potatoes into the soil, so that the workers behind the machine can easily pick all the sweet potatoes and transport them to a nearby processing plant by truck. In the factory, workers first pour freshly harvested sweet potatoes onto conveyor rollers. Workers carefully clean the excess roots and sprouting parts of the sweet potatoes, then hung them in a washing tank to wash away most of the silt and impurities, before sending them through a conveyor belt to a washing machine consisting of 6 drainage brushes. At this point, the sweet potatoes have been basically cleaned, and then manually cleaned again. In this way, after repeated cleaning, the impurities on the sweet potatoes are thoroughly cleaned. Then pour them together and arrange them neatly on the rack. Then put them in the oven with the rack and roast the sweet potatoes on high for 1 hour. Roasted sweet potatoes lose moisture and concentrate sugar, making them sweeter, which is one of the reasons why roasted sweet potatoes are so popular. Workers then took them off the shelf, put them on another shelf, and sent the freshly baked sweet potatoes straight to the -18 degrees Celsius refrigerator. At this point, freezing the water in the sweet potatoes directly into ice flakes will help preserve the flavor of the roasted sweet potatoes. Workers then sort the sweet potatoes by weight and pack them for sale.